Alright, we're gonna make a little interesting video here on these stupid safety interlock modules that I call the brain of a machine. Controls all the safeties. I'm gonna crack this thing open and see what went bad inside of it. My guess is it's either corroded in there or something fried. But these are going bad all the time now. This one came off a Toro snowblower, a 724, 7 horse, 24 watt. It was a 1988, I believe. I took this off and just bypassed it. I sold the machine back in the spring. It worked fine without it. You don't need these. If your machine's not working anymore because of this, just get rid of it. Don't bother looking for one. They're going bad. And if you buy a used one, you don't know how long it's going to last. Let's crack this thing open and see what the heck it is that's going bad inside of them. Like I said, I think it's either going to be something's fried or it's corroded. This area right here was covered. I thought it was a diode. It's not. They just soldered the wire together right there for some reason. So, alright, let's get this thing open and see what the heck went wrong with it. I completely cut the bottom off of it and I still can't get to it. This shit, whatever this is, excuse me, this stuff, whatever this is that they enclose this in, it's no joke. I have to start cutting out the sides of it to get this thing open. Definitely can't fix one of these if they go bad. I don't see that how you could do it. Hold on. Now I'm starting to get into it a little bit, and it looks like it's just like a circuit board that's just completely enclosed and encapsulated in this like sealant stuff. I'm gonna keep cutting off the sides and hopefully we can get into it and see what the heck's gone wrong. It's sealed so well though, I can't see how corrosion could have done it. So something in there must just fry. It's crazy. Alright. Well, I was hoping it would be a little bit more interesting than it is, but it's just not. I think it's just basically a little circuit board, right? Completely encapsulated in whatever the heck this material is. There's definitely no way to repair this when it goes bad, because look at what you had to go through to get it off. Unless maybe you were to melt all of this and get to it. But I don't know. For those who are interested in how things tick, like I am, I wanted to know what the heck it is that goes bad in here. And I'm just not really seeing it, but it's definitely like a little circuit board. And my hypothesis is something inside of these fries. So I'll keep cracking at it a little bit more, but there really isn't much to see. I was hoping to pop this thing open and be able to see the thing real clearly and spot what it is the heck that went bad, but not having too much luck with it. So I'm gonna rip at it a little bit more and we'll see if we can find out what's going on. I cut my finger a little bit doing it. What else is new? That's a daily occurrence. Okay, hang on. We keep going. Yeah, not a very dramatic ending here. All it is a little tiny circuit board encapsulated in an inch of this, whatever the heck this material is, some kind of plastic, I don't know, that they pour in and it hardens. But I was hoping that we would have had a better look, but it's definitely a circuit board in here, and something must burn out over time, and then it just stops it from working. But I figured I'd share what the heck was inside of one of these, because I was always interested. It looks like that might even be a little bit of a little chip right there. here, and then there's just a bunch of independent wiring and circuits, and that's pretty much all it is. So I can't tell you what went wrong because I can't see for myself. It does look like there are little capacitors. There are capacitors. I see them right there, and they probably go bad. That's just all it is. Over time, over a 30-year period, they just stop working, and then that's why these things fail. So I just figured I'd show that. That's what it is with these. If they go bad, don't worry about it. Just bypass them. Unless you know someone who has one and you know for sure it's good. Because I know somebody offered me one for that simplicity, and I said, yeah, don't even worry about it, because I only had one anyway, and the thing worked fine without it. So, but it's just like a brain, like a little mini brain, and all it does is it's got a ground, and then it's got this circuit board, and when the safeties are applied, it knows, and it'll allow the machine to work. And when they're not applied, it sends a signal to this, and then it just grounds out at the engine, and that's all it is. So, but they're going bad left and right now, and they don't make them anymore. I don't know who made them. You probably could have them made or find someone that makes them, but yep, that's all it is. So alright, thanks for taking the time to dig into this with me. Later.